What is up, YouTube? Zeppelin Free K's coming to you with a food review today. Today, I went to my local Today we went to our local, sorry, I'm not good with commentary. We went to our local Chinese place, and I got the Chinese shrimp curry, and we're going to try some of their dumplings. So we're going to try a dumpling with the sauce. Dip it in sauce. You got like meat, you got the meat and the veggie in the dumpling. And you got the shrimp curry. Looks like you got corn, carrot, peppers, peas. I don't know what this is. But all in all, on my ratings, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. It's really good, and I would recommend it. Alrighty guys, thank you for my food review. Have a great day. Hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, share the channel to your friends. Let's grow this channel. Have a great day.